Scovia! Scovia! Vai lá, avó! Ndi kukubaza iki ni iki? Ntabwo ari wandi kubaza?
Umusaraba.
Ina billahi. Inzu yanjye uyihinduye harya ni kiliziya ni ibiki? Ni ibyumba?
Nyine umusaraba niwo byiringiro byacu twari bakishijwe.
Oya ibintu ngenda birambiwe ndabirambiwe. Buri munsi ntabwo nzajya mpora mvuga ibintu nk'ibi ngibi.
Kandi umusaraba niwo utunesha.
Oya ndakwiyamye mu nzu yanjye. Iyi ni inzu yanjye ni inzu yawe.
Yacu.
None kuki umfata nkaho ngiye nakibamo? Ibi ngibi byaje ryari?
Nkunda Kristo.
Wallahi ntabwo binabyihanganira. Ntabwo binabyihanganira. Iki kintu nashaka kuri bukivane hano muri iyi nzu. Turumvikana? Turi kumvikana? Oya ntabwo binabyihanganira. Ntabwo nabyihanganira. Nakubwiye kenshi nakwemereye kuzajya usenga nta kibazo. Sibyo? Ariko none ibintu utangiye kuzana muri iyi nzu ni biki? Ntabwo turi abapfumu. Ubyumve neza ntabwo turi abapfumu. Ibi bintu ni by'ubupfumu.
Ariko ntabwo ari ubupfumu.
Ibi bintu ni ubupfumu. Ntabwo ibintu byaguma hano muri iyi nzu.
Wenda niba muri Korani mujya mu bisoma se kwizera niki? Nuko kumenya ibyiringirwa byose.
Umuntu yizera Imana ntabwo umuntu yizera ibi ngibi. Umuntu yizera Imana.
Baby.
Basa nk'aho ndi kumva nameze neza. Aha ngaha gutya bene hano.
Ese baby. Uzibura njya kugutereta. Nagura umukobwa w'igitangaza utarabaho kwiza. Navuze okay. Mu gukora buri kimwe cyose kugira ngo umukobwa mugere.
Mumaze kuntereta.
Okay. N'ubu ngubu nyine uri mwiza uri mu ishusho y'Imana pe. Sana Yesu.
Akiye mitoma rode. Ninde akurangiye umuti? Byambwiye ko udatereta indaya.
Ntabwo ari umukobwa.
Ibaze sunguyimene.
Wangurimo.
Na? Nagira gute?
I was joking.
Komeza.
Ubundi shirije ndagukunda cyane pe.
Si wabanje. Nta kibazo ufite? Okay.
Ibyo kuzana by'umugabo.
Waritse ibyo bintu rwose ko tutanabiheruka tuheruka ryarira. Hashize nk'imyaka ingahe?
Nisi kugitumba nabigukora baby.
Habaye okay ubwo ndabizi shere ndabizi ubwo hari nk'ikintu ushaka. Mbwira ikintu ushaka pe. Kuko gino tuntu ufite uri kuvuga ngo sheri ngo wowe ngaburire.
Okay baby. Ina agafaveri nashaka kukugezaho.
Ari mbizi. Ntago wabikora gutya nyine we bikurimo nukwera ko ukeneye favor rwose.
No.
Ukeneye iki?
Cyobana ngiye oya.
Wase nubiha agaciro ariko jewe
akaragasuzuguro. Karagasuguzo. Ndarambiwe. Uragira ngo nzabigenze gute? Ubu wasanga no mu cyumba turaramo hari ibindi bintu wagiye urahakira byahari iwanyu. Uricara biki? Nakubwiye ngo wicare.
Nahagurutse.
Akaragasuzuguro ufite rwose akaragasuzuguro. Ndanavuga kanicara rega. Nta nubwo bufite.
Ntabwo nsongera.
Ibi ugomba kubikura hano.
Nzabikora.
Ntabwo shaka ndabikora. Mimi nakwambia sasa hivi ibi vitu bitoke mwa nyumba. Unanisikia? Wacha mchezo wewe.
Ndaza kubikura none nakashubitse cyane.
Ndagiye. Sanga ibintu wabikuyeho. Msalaba ndani ya nyumba yangu. Astaghfirullah. Mimi nakwambia hii toa ndani ya nyumba yangu. Acha mchezo wewe. Shehe mwenyewe na msalaba ndani. Wewe funga sana.
Nashakaga nyine second mirror nanjye kukaza bibi.
Ako cyangwa bazi ubukire nibonamo wowe wumbonamo 50 mia.
Yeah. Ubwo ari menshi sabi ni make cyane.
Shani make cyane kabisa.
Yeah, true.
Kirageza ushaka ndi menshi, yazumbwira ndi menshi ataraye.
No, nayo ngayo kandi urakoze kuranyemerera, sibyo?
Nayiki. Niwe mbaza, nayiki.
Umugabo uko amafaranga nkeneye nzamubwira.
Umuntu w'umugabo ahubwo ni gute akena amafaranga nk'aya akayabura.
Sheri wajyoreka kumnyurira.
Ntabwo ngiye kucyuriye sheri, simo turaganira se nk'abakunzi.
Yego.
Sheri rwose yakeneye 50,000, yes we sheri n'amafaranga make cyane.
Okay, good. Aga baby nakwaka amafaranga menshi kandi nzi situation turi musigi.
Ese sheri haragaza uzingira. Niso gukeka ko amafaranga nakura yi.
Sheri amafaranga wabura rwose. Ntabwo wabura 50,000.
N'amafaranga nabura kwera ko nyine nzwi muri Beneri urumva kwera ko nyine shashiri rwose. Shana mfite cyakoze wenda nago nakurira nka 25 wenda. Nawe ayenda ukayishakira umuntu w'umugabo.
No baby. Mbaburi ko yuzuza kuko uziko mfite ikibazo gikomeye. Okay, ndibuza kukikubwira wenda nibikemuka ariko cyangwa sharika mubwiza kuri shiri nta mafaranga afite pe. Gusa nakubwiye ko wenda 25 ntago nayabura. Hamusubize se ko nyine umugabo agomba kwakwakitinga nk'umugabo. Sibyo se? Nawe izindi 25 uzishakire. Kandi guma nyine umase hano ndikumva ari sawa. Subigura nkati.
Kandi inyaguhaye guse no gukatiye gute? Cyangwa ubwo rero nyareke wenda ujye gushaka ahandi. Iki se?
Ubwo nta kundi yene ubwo.
Jya kunywa amazi yo kunywa. Sheri? Mzanira na telefone yanjye yo kumenya.
Umeze ute se? Nyine ibintu bibonye ute, surprise bibonye ute?
Wanunguye cyane.
Nizere ko wishimye basi. Ko nicyo kintu cyonyine naharaniraga iki gihe cyose. Baby.
Nishimye nyine n'ukuntu ngora nyine. Nabaye shocked.
Urabizi ko ibyishimo byanjye ari wowe. Niyo nkubonye wishimye mpita mvuga nti inzozi zanjye zigezeho. Ibyo narose kuzagira urugo rwishimye. Happy family. Rero ibi byose ni iki kintu bashaka nagenda. None se hagatanga mbere na mbere nifuza kuba nagusaba imbabazi. Hari abantu nabona nakosheje, aho nakubwiye nabi, aho nakitinze bitakwiriye, aho ntitwaye neza mu rukundo mu cyumba, nkigira busy cyane nkakwereka ko bikaze. Yo ni safari nayo nigeze njyamo. Narindi hano hafi ndi gukurikirana amakuru yose. byari surprise, I'm sorry.
ndabizi byari surprise.
Seko nyine basi mbabarira sibyo. Ntabwo wishimye.
Ndishimye nko gusa natungo.
No, nifuza ko utungurwa ariko nyuma yo gutungurwa ukishima. Baby. Sure, basi nabikoze nabi.
Yeah. Ubikoze neza cyane.
Siko mbona nyine. Sure. I'm sorry, ndikuza imbabazi basi. Nyine ndabizi nitwaye nabi pe. Nanjye ari njye babikoreye nababara. Ariko please.
Ntabwo pe nta kibazo reka nta kibazo. Nta kibazo.
Oh. Anyways, Alice.
Oui.
It's been longer.
Long time.
How have you been?
Fine.
I missed Kigali.
Yeah.
Missed very much Kigali. So this is the girl.
Yeah.
Wow.
Koko.
Mshala mulungi.
Ni mulungi. Hey. Hello.
How are you, baby?
I'm good.
My name is Bob.
Claudia.
Claudia. And
Yeah.
she has a good name.
Yeah.
Very good name. Smile. Hey. Smile for me.
Koko.
Come on. Smile for me. You never disappoint. She's very good.
You know me.
I know. So why don't you come back to Uganda anyways?
Next month.
Uh-huh. You should bring her. Or I will take her myself. Why can't I? You can come with me. Wazana Nanji, Kampala. Oh yeah.
Asikutishe.
She's shy. Come close. Sit close.
I'm comfortable here.
She's comfortable there. Okay, I'll come close.
Kuku wakegereye undi mwana.
Kuku, I don't bite.
Kuku.
Okay, I'm friendly. Come close.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is going my way.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyways, yeah, man.
Kuku wavugishije undi mwana.
You say? And she knows how to talk. She has a very good voice.
Kuku.
Thank you.
Kuku. Ntutume mvugana. Babarira.
You say that what is your name?
Oh, my name is Bob. I'm from Uganda, Kampala. Have you ever been there?
No.
No?
Yes.
I'll take you there.
Thank you.
Yeah. She's beautiful.
She's beautiful.
Your name is so
You're very close.
Come on.
I'm sorry. Ntabwo nifuza kubona nyine ubabaye umeze gutya. Tuza. Urabizi ko nkukunda. Babe, I love you. Nkukunda kurusha ibindi bintu byose biri hano ku isi.
Ego.
Nifuza basi next year hint kugira ngo ntazongera kubaza bimeze gutya. Nzagushimishe nta kintu kimwe gihungabanya.
Tumubonye bidakuvamo. Nta kibazo. Ese meze neza kuko.
Uravugishwe. I love you. I love you.
I love you too.
I want to make you happy every single day. I want to see you smiling. Ntabwo nifuza ko hari amarira yazamuka ku matama ya baby. Mbona nsenga kugira ngo Imana izaduhe urugo rwiza rwishimye hatazagira ikintu na kimwe kitwitambika hagati.
Yego. Abafite.
We're very close.
Should be close. You know, we are learning to know each other.
We can know each other without being very
Hey,
please.
Coco.
Come back to your seat.
Banyarwanda.
N'abacyana bawe.
What is wrong with Rwandan women?
I'm feeling safe. Like
I'm safe too. You know, I don't bite. I can't bite you.
I know. But we can talk sitting here.
Okay, this is yeah. You know, they always say Banyarwanda, you have an attitude.
Yeah.
I like it. I like it very much. I like the attitude. Yeah. No, don't stay there. It's good. It's very good. She is turning me on.
Rob, so how are you?
I'm good. Yeah. So this is your place.
Yeah.
You have a nice place.
So, so long time.
Yeah.
No see you.
Nini se urachamwa kwenyeji?
Oh, of course.
Yeah.
Vilunji.
So we well okay.
Yeah.
Let me buy you something. What do you want, baby? Yeah. Should I give her the money?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, yours.
Huh?
Oh,
Or?
yeah.
Why not?
Thank you. Bob.
Yeah, it's okay. You know
Nice
what?
to meet you. Nice to meet
Very
you, Bob.
good. You know,
Yeah.
I'm a very generous guy, so. Yeah.
Coco,
Man,
bizana ibintu by'ubwana hano
you're saying it.
kandi muvugisha mu cyongereza arakizi.
Right?
It is Michelle is good.
Very good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alice, I like the way you walk.
Yes.
Never
Of
disappoint.
Of course.
Don't worry. I will treat her well. Huh?
Cool.
Baby.
Coco, gira vuba Coco. Gira vuba.
Ntegera kumva akabanya kumura kwa ari kumva.
Coco, sitakuka ibintu byose.
Take it easy, baby.
Ahubwo.
You go bring something to drink.
Of course.
Yeah, and
I'm back.
yeah, I'm good. It's okay.
What do you want to me?
I just want to talk.
Talk about what?
We're friends. Don't you see your sister is my friend?
I don't do friends with you. You can go home now.
You don't want to be my friend? Okay, we can stop being friends. Okay, and we have to pay for.
Pay for what? Did you pay to me or you paid the lease?
She's your friend.
She's not.
She's your sister. Should you
She's
talk
my-
to her?
She's my brother's wife. No, please.
Come on.
Don't.
I know you want to fight. Okay, let's fight.
No, please.
Come on.
Come across to
I
me.
like the fight.
No, please.